Men are eating twice as much. Women are eating 3 times as much. So we're all guilty of it. So there are certain things that you can take to help protect your kidneys. So one of the things is called resveratrol, which is an antioxidant. Okay, so eating fruits and plants are really good for the body, right? So that's what I'm going to talk about with kidneys. By the way, Tony, is there a way I can plug this in? My laptop is actually low on power. Is there a plug around here? Sorry about that, guys. All right, so let's continue. Okay, so healthy kidneys are actually important because the kidneys are what regulates the pH, the acidity of the body, salt intake, electrolyte levels. Kidneys are also important because they produce hormones that control your blood pressure and even help with the production of red blood cells. So kidneys are pretty important. Kidneys also activate form of vitamin D, which can help the body absorb calcium for helping to build bones and regulate muscle. So all of these organs, they have multiple functions. Okay, they have multiple functions, and so they have to be taken care of. And again, one of the reasons so many of us have kidney issues is because we have too much sugar in the blood. Men eat twice as much sugar than they should. Women eat 3 times as much sugar as they should. So all of that is going to contribute to less blood flow for the kidneys. Not the blood that they filter, but the blood flow that actually feeds the kidney. Okay, because remember, too much sugar in your blood makes your blood thick and just leads to a whole host of other problems. So kidney stones can also result. Kidney stones are formed when your kidneys really don't get enough water flow through them, right? They're formed when you have a lot of calcium and oxalate, and they have to pass through like your urethra and all this stuff. And so if you don't consume enough water, right? Because think about it, water is what allows these things to be removed from your body, right? And whenever you don't drink enough water, you can actually look at the color of urine. Look, I'll give you an example. What color is urine? Clear, yeah. I thought you guys were going to say yellow. Urine is actually yellow because of what's in it. It's not its actual color, okay? So if you, for example, don't drink a lot of water, you're going to get like a dark orange. But if you start drinking water, you're going to see that it's going to start getting yellow, and then it's going to start getting clear. Okay, that's the color. So that really indicates how much soluble crap, your body's getting rid of, right? So ideally, you want to see clear urine. It means your kidneys have been working. So, and getting adequate water is actually important. I mentioned the most common causes of kidney diseases are diabetes and high blood sugar, okay? And of course, high blood pressure, it will, I said diabetes and high blood sugar. I meant to say diabetes and high blood pressure, excuse me. Okay, so the liver is another one of those organs God put inside of you. Remember earlier I touched upon cholesterol, right? Cholesterol is made by your liver, folks. 80 to 90% of the cholesterol you have, it's not from red meat. It's made by your liver, okay? And it's one of the most important things in your body. But for this case, for the process of elimination, the liver is responsible for neutralization and the removal of toxins from the body's blood supply. So again, a lot of stuff that we eat are actually toxic poisons, right? They're actually poisonous, okay? So like if you did not have a liver, you would die from a lot of the stuff that the FDA approves. That's why I said some of us are gonna have to raise young kids and have them go work for the FDA because you're not gonna change it from the outside. But the liver is what's responsible for removing these toxins, because otherwise we would drop dead. Okay? It's one of the most important detoxification organ in the body, has 13% of the body's blood flowing through it at any given time. So what are some strategies to protect the liver? Number one, you can consume fiber-rich foods. 2, you can limit how much alcohol and sugary foods you consume. 3, you can increase exercise, because the more you exercise, remember, exercising gets your blood to pump harder, right? Gets the blood to circulate, right? And as the blood circulates, it's picking up a lot of crap, right? And so you're gonna breathe out that crap, you're gonna sweat out that crap, you're gonna pee out that crap, and you're gonna poo out that crap, quite literally, right? But I'm trying to use language that we can all understand, folks, okay? I'm not trying to use that medical jargon, that sounds overcomplicated. But that's the point. Exercise is one of the ways you can take care of your organs as well. And, just try to avoid things that has hepatitis, right? It can give you hepatitis. And of course, try to avoid toxic chemicals. That's how you protect your liver. But one of the things you can remember is just exercise and drink more water. Exercise and drink more water and sweat. Your lungs. Obviously, we all know we're breathing in and breathing out each and every second of every day of our lives. In fact, if you didn't know, if you did not breathe, you would not be alive today. Respiration is the process of lungs bringing in oxygen into the body and exchanging it for waste like carbon dioxide. So breathing in oxygen, breathing out carbon dioxide.